Good afternoon, everyone. Good morning, good evening, whichever way you're watching me for. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thanks, and thanks. Yeah, without wasting most of your time today, let's dive into the video today, which says, we women that are hiding under the cover to say the man say a wife not this, the man say a wife not that. Let's dive into it. Let's check it. Let's look at it. You know, normally, as we usually say, we're taking it with our day-to-day activities, and we are also doing some comparison from the Bible. Is it right? Is it wrong? Has it been there? What we're passing through? Is it also in the Bible? That is what we do here. We do comparison. So without wasting much of your time today, today's topic is going to be for the women. You know, the last time we talked about tradition, basically, mostly on the men. But today, we are talking about the women today. Yeah. We women that are hiding under the cover, saying the man say the wife is not beautiful. The man say the wife is too fat. The man say the wife is not sexy. The man say the wife is not good in bed. The man say this, the man say that. Like seriously? Like seriously? We always base everything on the man say because you want to date another woman's husband. Because you want to collect another person's boyfriend. You always say the person say, the person not say. Please, let's change and let's stop it. Yes, why are we talking about this topic today? Because if you see it these days, it's so rampant. I don't know why we blame the men. So we say, don't put the blame on only the women, put the blame on the men. Yes, the both of them have faults. It's not just one side. But for the men, even in the Bible, in the society, in our day-to-day life, it states that a man is supposed to come to a woman to approach a woman. So it is not wrong, or it is not a sin for a man to approach you. Whether you are married or you are not married. Some might know that you are married, some might not know. But whether you are married or you're not married, a man has a right to approach you and say, I like this person, or I love this person, or I just want to be with this person. Then it is your duty as a woman to say no. So don't blame the man for coming to you. Yes, he might know that you married, he might not know, because there's no harm in trying. He has the right to try. So when he try, it is you that know that you are married, or you are engaged, or you don't want to break somebody's home, or you don't want a married man that is supposed to say no. Why are we saying this? Most girls these days say, no, new thing, not be new thing, no, not be me starter. Yes, sister. Not be you starter, mommy. Not be you starting to collect person husband. Not be you go stay in there. Not be you starting to date person boyfriend. Not be you go stay in there. But it go good me we know say some consequences there. Not just be not be me starting or not be me go in there. Yes, of course, not be you starting. These things a day before. Not be you go start and not be you go still end there. In the days of Abraham, he made Sarah give him mate to his husband and he sleep with her. What happened when he disobeyed? He has to drive her away because Abraham was sensitive enough or sensible enough. But in our day-to-day life now, you go see the man go tell you, say the woman we don't born for you, the woman who you marry, we deal with you for a side, you go send a side chick. Now come important past the woman. Like some of our men, like seriously, you don't even fear man, you don't still fear God. Your wife with the house go know your side chick. Like you just ready to buy your coffee, or the life don't tire you, I don't understand. You will say nothing they happen. Really? I felt talking for one of my videos. Say now man will get good wife. Now they feel the open man, they talk say woman not fit kill me, woman not fit do me anything. When you jam your mate, we get bad wife. If they break, you go need down, thank God say still their life, because you know what the woman is capable of doing. So we women, when they hide under the cover, they say the man say wife too fat. The man say wife not sabi dress. The man say wife not sabi cook. The man say since we take born not they neat. The man say the woman is not sexy. The man say it's not. So sister, auntie, mommy, now you want to come do all those things for her. Now you sabi sexy. Now you sabi cook. Now you sabi bath. Now you sabi dress. Now you sabi do everything. The man say, and they lavish money on you. If those monies where they lavish on that woman, so you lavish on your wife, or you take care of your wife, you dress and you buy clothes, or you do different things. Men they help their wife, not be lay women. You go see say that your sexy wife, where you they look say no, you're not sexy, not do this, you not do that. Say she go even sexy past that side chick where you they see. everything for this life go fit trim down with time. You go fit get everything well done according as you want am. So we women, where they always they talk and say the man say his wife na this, the man say his wife na that. May we check am for Bible, because the Bible make us know say whatsoever you sow, that is what you will reap. So you they sleep with person husband now because say the man tell you say his wife not good. But now that his wife will not good, even with her still days as he not divorce her, he not pursue her. If man you want really know say man like you, because of you pursue your wife, then you will know say yes, in a serious business. Not be say your wife dey with her for a house, and maybe the woman can't jump too often for her side. The man go for a prayer, they beat his wife because of you. Say maybe talk to you, or maybe you want knock you, or want do anything, and you they happy say not good for her. Auntie, mommy, sister, you on the wait you. Now they forget so many things. So say if you bypass her, you get children. And the Bible talk and say, I will visit the iniquity of the father to the 4th generation. Iniquity, now sin. He said, what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. You not be being you be. When you want put asunder for another person marriage. The man don't know say wife not sabi dress before he marry her. Even if the woman sabi the dress before, say maybe as the woman don't come they born, maybe they leave body, you know if they arrange itself for again. Is it not your duty as a man, maybe you take help your wife to go back to the way it is? Maybe the stress is too much or so many things. No. The next available flight, you don't jump enter the next woman. What if that one still born for you and it become that? It goes, you know that you will be the lady, because I'm really talk of the women today. You will be the woman where man they tell say, my wife not they do this, my wife not they do that. Now make me, they come meet you so. You don't forget, say, you na woman, you go born tomorrow. When you born, when you don't get stress or when you don't still get load of children, so then the man go still dump you for another woman. Because now the same thing. Now what happen to the first one, now go still come to the second one. So now when they hide under the cover, no, I not go feel lose guard. I go just dey drink slim tea. I go look sexy. When I go be and again, say, let a barren woman give birth to a child, and let's see if her beauty will remain the same. May we see. The man say wife not good though. The man say wife not sabi cook. The man say wife not do this so. When man go give a wife 1,000 for house, may take cook. Not waiting the woman see go cook. Some go say anybody who sabi cook does sabi cook. Yes. You not fit compare food where they use cow leg, bomo, snail, goat meat, fish, bush meat, take cook, and the one where they use ordinary white fish cook. Who sabi cook sabi cook. There is no comparison. But if you tell and say you want go market for outside, if na side chick, you know how much you go drop for ground. Because if not, but now that food they eat since then before if you wait till they get strength, wait before you take this where that side chick day. It not be purge for her. It not the purge down. It not kill her, it not vomit her. But now you come and say wife not sabi cook, wife not sabi dress, wife not sabi the way you be say all the hip load you pack on top of one person. If na 3 children get, if na 4, if na 1, or if na 2 self, go wake up early morning, dress the children, come pack their food, do this, do that, drop the child off school, or even if you want to drop her in, go work on, they do the house chores, do everything. If you come, you don't relax. How you say make the woman? Well, like seriously? I dey look some men, that's why my wife not do this, that's why my wife not do that. Waiting you they talk so bros. You fit do wetin that woman they do, and may we see how you want sexy. You wait, they not even give any picking, they not even give any, they not give anything. You get shape like Amoeba. You carry belle go front like one go born 3 for labor room. And yet, they know they see pikin come out. And you they look for woman where they sexy, the woman not sabi cook. They forbid if you enter kitchen cook. Man not they cook. Man they cook as woman they cook. You know they complete or person finish. So if the wife na food, na be the problem, you do that one. If not the dressing, help your wife. You say your wife not the dress, your wife not the dress. You not go give your wife money to do it here. But you go see 200,000, 300,000 where you go give woman for outside, side chick where you go take go buy Bond Street. Go take go buy human hair. And you say your wife not the dress. Your wife not they do this. Your wife not they do that. May you buy Bond Street. May the woman feel side lash. May you take and go with the makeup. Now just 1,000 naira or people with the Europe, 30 euros. May you pay, may they make up your wife. May your wife wear shirt. May they put your side chick, put for gram. May they put your wife. That get the way she take the tie belly or the slim tea where she they drink. May they do comparison. May you see. But no, my wife not this, but the woman for us, you know, go fit drop money for her, you know, go fit take care of her. You say me all the stress they the woman head. Now you go know as you want to take care of, say, take care of children, take care of this, take care of that. But that money you go see and go give side chick for her side. And at the end, you come say the woman, no, they fear God. No, even see they fear man. Woman go catch your husband with another woman. You go get the mind as a man. You go beat the woman on top. Say, why even call catch you? And some of una will be women. Some of us not be una. Us, me join. Some of us will be women. Maybe they try. We know they try at all. May I tell you one thing? If man don't start to they give you condition, terms and conditions for marriage, relationship, sister, auntie, mommy, grandma, start to they pack your bag. Because your days are numbered. You don't get space for that house again. Because if you give you this condition today, you bypass her. You go bring another one come tomorrow. You bypass her. You go bring another one come next tomorrow. You bypass her. There is no how before you reach 10. They must see one way be say, you go overpower you, say you not fit. Any man who don't start to give you terms and conditions, it just they tell you, say, start to gather your bag. Be getting ready. Your days are numbered. We don't tire for you. They pack. Now notice that they give you so. As landlord go give you notice. Now so they give you notice. Most of una go see hard writing for war. And you know what that's them. They know they use math, they drive big math, say get out of here. When everybody waka live on, Shebi na you go by yourself, get up, no say they don't want you. Now so most women be. Once man don't start to give you terms and conditions, just know say your days are numbered. Auntie, sister, start to dey pack your load. They pack and just they arrange for where you reach anywhere where they start to dey pack and start to dey arrange. I know they use this media until they tell anybody may come off for husband because that is the truth. Any man who don't start to give you terms and conditions for marriage or relationship, just know say he don't already dey tired. He's fed up. He just they look for one particular thing to hold like this. Say now this one I do. Because last he must not say you not get character. Last he must not say you know because he don't already dey fed up, but he just they try to know how. He must not say no if he do one. If you bring this one today, you bypass and you go bring another one come tomorrow. He must bring another one come. And you wait there outside, where they hype, they praise you, that they elevate you, that they give you morale. Your belly they drink Merinda. I'ma to love me. Oh. That guy, if you not see me, you forget say now so it be for the other woman. Now so the love they hot like hot water before. Now something I cool and that. And you forget say that thing still they exist. Say not go pass your time finish. No. The man say, the man not say, the man do, the man not that. Now be waiting we most women. They hide under the cover. Till they carry another woman husband, till they friend another woman husband. The only benefit you they get to collect person husband are the material things. Either I buy motor for you, buy house or you give you money, don't finish. You don't go fit get peace of mind for them. You not go fit get rest of mind. You are not 100% comfortable. You are not happy. That is the truth. You only they look at the advantage, but the disadvantage is full ground long for ground. We not ever try to check disadvantage. We always go ahead. We always look front, but we not they turn back. We not they look back. The advantage is just material things. Either he buy house for you, he build house for you, he buy motor for you, he give you money, take you shopping for anywhere of the world. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose your soul? You dey happy at another person's tears. You think if now your husband and another woman they do you this, how you go feel? Now that one be the first thing when they tell the judge. That make they say judgment. Bible say judgment will start in my household. You think and say if now you or now your picking cry come meet you, say see what your husband do. I also say you go drink Merinda that day. Your belly go the sweet. Oh, read one passage from Bible. Your belly go the sweet, Abi. More read the Galatians 6, verse 7. I make and they always they bring Bible passage. One I'm not going to talk say I dey blab or I just dey talk. Galatians 6, verse 7 say, do not be deceived. God is not mocked. For whatever a man sow, that he will also reap. Do not be deceived. God is not mocked. Whatsoever you sow, it is what you are going to reap. You dey sow destruction for another woman home. Auntie, now peace you want reap for your own. It not go possible now. It not fit happen. Now, what you sow, now you go reap. The destruction where you dey sow for another woman home, now you go reap. The man they hype you, they tell you say my wife not good, my wife not did this. Say the man not get comfort for house. Now you be comfort, sister comfort. Now you want comfort her. Now you want give her the comfort where he needs. Bible now talk and say my peace I give unto you, not as the world give it. Only God will give person comfort or peace, not be you. He come meet you now because he don't see free thing where he want do now. He don't see one place where he want perch put. After I say men not good, men not good. You as a young girl, or even say you don't marry all those, you as a young girl, man, go get wife for house. He go say they take care of your biz. May you not friend boy. May you don't understand your future. Now you they destroy. You they say you they chop the man or your wife not good. I get very, very, very high personality. Sister, you are deceiving yourself. Because now there you go there, oh, you not go see chance marry the man who you want marry. You not go see chance friend the boy who you want. You not go see chance do anything. Before you know they don't dark. Is either the man go back to his wife. I don't see so many cases. The man will go back to his wife. Or if the man even marries you, come later marry you for house. And wait till they do that his wife before, then go still continue to do for you. Now he go still continue. Because if I go Fiji, wait till the person blood. He can never stop it. Oh, read another verse for inside Bible again. Leviticus 19, verse 18. So more they do the day-to-day comparison. Because most women, although they hide under the cover, say, the man say. But now the man, I did since. We never see you. The man say. Leviticus 19, verse 18. You shall not take vengeance, nor bear any guilt against the children of your people. But you shall love your neighbor as yourself. I am the Lord. Love your neighbor as yourself. If you love your fellow woman, you're not going to collect your husband. If you love your fellow woman, you're not going to sleep with your husband. You think, and most of una see una husband near person, una want kill her. You think I say, if this woman so, now me, what's it go happen? How will you feel? That is the first thing. Love your neighbor like yourself. The man get right to come meet you, say he talk to you. Now man duty. And your own duty now to say no. Now all food person they chop. Now everybody will talk to person they grieve for. If na poor man, that man be say get wife for us. Now you know if you get one carry you go na a friend place, you go grieve for her. Most of them go say all these young boys, they not sabi take care of woman. All these young boys, they not sabi take care of woman. The man was young when his wife be here. Before he can become old. Not be old man, wife of a Marian. Now person training your own before you come they see the tap. They know they forbid if you still help your own. Me another person can't tap. Maybe we see how to go be you for body. The man this, the man that. The man say his wife not good. The man say his wife. You know they see the woman see fat. You know they see the woman see this. That's what the woman be before. The breast don't fall. Now so the breast fall. Now the man marry. Your own way stand. You not go for tomorrow. Anything that goes up must surely come down. So they deceive yourself for them. They deceive yourself. The man go take care of you, buy everything for you. Tell you something you're not friend another boy and they get wife for us. And you think that the woman you they do. You can only affect the woman, the flesh. The woman don't they live the life they go. Then you go ready for your turn because they use to make parable say first to do, not the pain no. Second to do, yeah, go they ready. Then third to do, go they cry. So wait for your own. You don't do person, you wait for the one person go do you. Tomorrow now call the shot. You break person marriage, you destroy person home. Say, if you good, why your husband come up for house? Go reach your tongue, sister. If to say you feel handle your husband well, if you not come look for another woman, go reach your tongue. If they come, the tongue that will go help they deliver your own, just they do press up right now. Because the beautiful ones are not yet born. One day, you're not going to remain young forever. You go still grow old. You go still come up for fashion like that man wife. Our young girls when they want even hear these days. Another person then we go take over for you now. Soldier go, soldier come. Barrack can never empty. The barrack can never empty. Oh, look another place for Bible. Matthew 7. Look Matthew 7 verse 12. Because we just dey do other people something like say they not be human being. Then when you reach your body, you so as in we and bite winch pikin. Go see her body, go the pepper and forget some people in the kiss since. Matthew 7 verse 12. Wherefore, whatever you want men to do to you, do also to them. For this is the law of the prophets. See, whatsoever you want men to do to you, do to them. Oh, gonna wait till you do person, and they go still do you. There is no two ways about it. You can come out tomorrow. Now this woman, now wait till you do person, and they go still do you now. It's what you sow that you know feel so coconya quand they reap cassava. You not go feel so beans, you can't reap rice. You not go possible. It not go possible at all. And what you sow, now you go reap. Evako, rose. You see, huh? So many of you, I don't see many women. We go to the total and go say, no, the man said the woman. You know, they see the woman. Not say they do, not say they dress. How many of you don't look this film between? Stella Damascus na ata between. You don't know say this man get wife because he don't get disappointment. The man not telling the wife. Now young person because she na relationship therapist. The woman call that okay, bring your husband. Even when the husband dead door for the husband to follow and enter, they still they type Stella Damascus, they write Stella Damascus, they write everything. When you know say the man get wife and the woman don't go complain to her and do everything, she quits. If you see the love we love that man, she quits. I don't see two of our actresses, two popular actresses. They married them. They don't pay their bride price. One, they just new marry and pay her bride price. Now she know say she can't notice say the man get wife. That's why they call off the marriage. He born her picking, hold her picking for hand. You not saying don't can marry me and I don't know. Yes, she don't know. But when you know, what will you do? If you don't know, you say I will pardon in the time of ignorance. When you don't know, okay, you don't know. Now when you know, okay. First time it was a mistake. Second time you forgot. The third time what happened? Two actresses. One don't quick and born two. One just get belly when you know. You get wife. Even three. One not quick and born. Go check history. I don't want to mention their name. That's why they quit the marriage. So more fun now. Especially our guests for Nigeria. You just know say this Jando, he get wife for us. Just because he come Nigeria say na Jando, he go say no concern me now. Before you know, he don't carry belly. After all, make you hold that side, make me hold this side. Like seriously? And maybe you come born and you born get picking. Sister, agbegbe you say. You come born, you born get picking. No, say what affects the eyes will also affect the nose. And most of our own children go cry. You don't know where this kind of thing. Oh, this man a bad person. I like mama. And wait till you sow. Now your children they reap. Even you yourself go reap. Go reap. More look Luke 6:31. Sorry. Luke 6 verse 31. What's this way the Bible tell us for there? Because most of us, we don't dare under the cover of the man say, the man don't say. And the man. Luke 6 verse 31. And just as you just as you want men to do to you, also do to them likewise. Just as you want men to do to you, also do to them likewise. If you want, you don't want to destroy person, you don't want me to destroy your home. Not destroy person, you no. Because they say, who they glass house, you know, the first throw stone to person where they done. Because if the person they throw, they come back, everything goes scatter now. Now glass. And so, go scatter. You wait the glass house, you they throw stone, give person outside. What do you expect? You want to destroy, go destroy now. It go scatter, it go pieces. Oh no, they deceive ourselves. Most of us women, they deceive ourselves. Oh, you could go born no set picking. Most of us where they born. Most of us will be women. After yak bitan where or bien or baby. They say if woman they born, you go they remove wickedness come off for body. But no, now mothers not even wicked pass. Person collect your husband or person don't have to you, not me say you go don't have to person. Because person do unto you, not give you the yardstick. Because that sin where that person go collect, now you go still collect if you do unto another person. Most of una will be women. Where you go, they collect different nonsense just because you don't want to make the mark or not. At the end, you go kill yourself. Son, when man don't they give you red light, my sister, your health is better. I don't see who husband has give tickets to anywhere. I never ever see who they don't give award one say are the best woman wey come take for husband, or you are not married this way, or divorced this way, those in marriage this way, single this way. Una don't ever see it happen for the world. They don't they do Spencer's night, bachelor's eve, singles day, mother's day, all those things. They can never separate you from something and say because you are not married, because you are married, because you are not this. No, don't kill yourself. If man don't they give you terms and conditions for marriage, yes, I said it. And not say you come up for your husband as now your luck. If terms and conditions don't they enter, sister, you can never bear it. Prove me wrong anywhere, because as that terms they come, you go they add more. You go they add more. You go no say, hey, this one don't want to come up for husband. Oh yeah, you don't know say they use a tell me parable say now who you fair the fair beat with your clear eye. When you drink, now you still go meet. Because person when you not fair feel the beat before, when you not drink, you can't drink, you go meet, that it go kill you. Dead body now they will carry. Because that fear, when that person they fear you before, when you drink, go to say you will kill them. They don't know say person drink. Single strength, not even there with her. Even small pikin, if he push you. So more no they deceive ourselves. If you be a woman, you find yourself in this condition, it's never too late. Change. Whatsoever you sow is what you will reap. What you want others to do to you is what you will do to them. Oh, no come later, my pikin, my this. More look one more verse. That same Luke 8, verse 17. It plenty. I mean, I want people come out. For nothing is secret that will not be revealed, nor anything hidden that will not be known and come to light. Nothing is hidden. So you will say they hide person your husband. The man carry you come up for this country, go another country, or you dey Nigeria, the man dey Europe, or you dey Europe, the man dey Nigeria, you dey fuck person your husband, you dey sleep with person your husband, you dey do everything. Nothing hidden that can never be revealed. One day, breeze go blow and fire onyash go open. So continue. They sleep with people husband, they destroy home. The man can't give you belly. The man say make I born for that. Now man say make they born for person, they born for person. Now they born for. The one wey marry you for us, you even born for, go still don't live pikin with you. Not talk about the one wey just use man tell you born for me. The man like me. You say when man they tell woman say born for me, say I like you, use until like you. Therefore, you say married men, they know they leave their wife and children. The man say make I born for her. The man say make I born for her. No. 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 Not being the cause are you, yeah? I beg. What would they do well? Maybe they do well, I beg. We'll look the last verse for Bible today before we go round up. Mark 4 verse 22. Mark 4 verse 22. For there is nothing hidden which will not be revealed, nor has anything be kept secret, but it should come to light. See, they tell you the same thing. Nothing where they hide, we no go feel open. Most of them go say, they suffer, they do, and they hide, they don't. You go not see this man get wife. You go not see this man get serious person. You go not see this man dey with person. You want, una just to dey put asunder. The man say wife na this. The man say wife na that. The man say wife not sabi cook. The man say wife not sabi dress. You don't see that girl where get one leg where they say pure water. Most of them go don't see her for internet now. You see the way they transform that girl. You see the way they dress that girl. You believe saying that girl now can be the other one. Now so it be. If you maintain your wife, it go look sexy. Even past that way they go to find for herself. Because una not value what una get. Una they commonize what una get. Una not get potential for what una get. Now make una they run out. Because that thing you define for outside, it dey with you. What you define for Sokoto? For Sokoto, it dey inside your Sokoto for there. Then you don't know. When they run, they go outside, they follow another person. At the end, most of una will be men. These women wanna they go they cheat on, they beat on a wife, even pursue and come up for us. At the end, before you they come, you go come marry another man. Your money or your time or everything, you don't waste all of them. Because why? You want to please another person, displease yourself. We'll end this video for here. I'll go soon now for my next video. Because I don't feel I don't want to make my video the past 30 minutes. Thank you guys. I really appreciate for you subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate. Please, let's learn from this. I'm also talking to myself as I'm talking to every other person. We are all learning together. Thank you guys. Thanks. Bye. See you next time in my video. Bye.